Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change aspect ratios of photos and videos on your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First open camera of your phone and go to photos option, and here go to the top and click here. You will have several options. 3:4 for 50 megapixel and 3:4 normal megapixel. 19 is to 16. This means this photo will be suitable for YouTube. And 1:1, this frame will be suitable for Instagram. Then large, very large size, full. Click on full. So in this way you can easily change the aspect ratio of photos. 3:4, first one is 3:4 50 megapixels, second one is 3:4, then 9:16, and 1:1, then full. In this similar way you can find videos aspect ratio. Click on video here and click here. You have three options: 9:16 and 1:1, then full. So in this way you can easily select any aspect ratio of your choice for taking photos and videos on your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.